Hello, this is Daniel DeMaster. I'm going to show you how to be diagramming an atom and how to turn that atom into an ion.
I'm going to be showing you how an atom model works.
We're going to have an outer circle for diagramming purposes, and then we're going to have a large nucleus also for diagramming purposes.
I'm going to be using sodium as an example for this. Sodium is one of the elements in the periodic table of elements. As you can see, it shows various things that the properties of sodium has. The things that are shown are the AAM, the average atomic mass of the element, the name of the element, the symbol for the element could be 1 or 2 letters, and the number of protons that it has. So we're going to start out with a blank model. Okay, so first we're going to add in the small circle how many protons that it has. Now we're going to add the electrons. Keep in mind that the electrons and the protons have the same number. So if there are 11 protons, there are 11 electrons. Also, there are different rings with different energy intervals. So the first ring on average would be 2, then the second one would be 8, third one would be 8, and the fourth one would be 2. Keep in mind that this is average. This doesn't apply to all elements, just some. So now to find the neutrons that an element has, we get the AAM, then we round it to the nearest whole number, we subtract the number of protons, and then we find our answer as 12, in this case with sodium, to get our answer of 12 neutrons.
Now this is an atom. It is an atom because the protons cancel out the neutrons. To make this an ion, which is what we're going to do now, we have to either give or take away a certain amount of electrons from the last energy interval. So since 8 is our last one and it has just 1, what we're going to do is since it's easier to take away 1 instead of adding 7, what we're going to do is that we are going to take away that 1. It's going to go flying off there somewhere else. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do that, and then what happens is that the number of electrons change, so it is an ion now. So what we do is we take the number of protons, minus the amount of electrons, and then we have a charge. So for this is a positive 1 charge. So we're just going to write that up there. Okay, then thank you for watching.